Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Database Tech. So today I had come up with one more new session on SQL queries and interview questions. In today's session, I will explain how we can replace all instances of male with female and vice versa. So let's do this in SQL Server practically. So this is SQL Server. And now before we start, we need data. For that, we have one table named customer in which we have column as gender. And now from this column, we have to update male to female and female to male, which is our requirement. And we have to do this for whole column gender, not for any particular ID. And in case we have to do this for any particular ID, what will be the query? Let me show you that as well. You can simply write down update table name. What's table name? It is customer. Set gender. What is gender? It is column name. Set gender equal to female where ID equal to 1. So you can give any ID here. You can either give 2, 3, 4. But right now I had given 1. So what will this query do? It will update gender to female where ID is 1. So it will impact a single row and this will work for a single row only. Let's execute this query. One row affected, and now when we check the data again from this customer table, you can see male has now been changed to female where ID was 1. But our requirement is different here. We have to do this change for whole column gender, not for any particular ID which I had shown you. So let's see how we can achieve this requirement. So we can use here case statement. So let's see how we can use case. So we have to use the same update statement and there we will use case. Update table name. What's table name? It is customer. Set gender equal to. So what is gender? It's again the column name for which we had to do the change. And then you can use case here. Case gender. So you have to use the column name in which we have to do the change. We have to update the fields. When now we will give the condition which we want. So what we need like male to change male to get converted to female and female to male. So we will use that. When it is male, then it should convert to female, and when it is female, convert this to male, and if there is neither male neither female, then it should go to else part and update to NA, which means not available. Finally, you can close the case statement with AND keyword. So our update statement, update query is done. So we had used xtrophy, single xtrophy here because this is data, this is not any keyword, not the column name. So we had used xtrophy, single xtrophy here. So when we execute this query, you can see, okay, we had not include this parentheses. Now let's execute this again. You can see 7 rows affected. When we check the data again from the customer table, it has now been changed. So you can see here female has now been changed to male and female male to female and vice versa. So by this way we can achieve this requirement using case statement in update query. So that was it for today's session. I hope you have understood it, and in case not, you can provide your comments so that I can reply back. And if you liked today's session, you can please subscribe my channel. So please subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. So with this, let's wrap up the session for today. We'll come up with the next session shortly. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Be healthy and be safe.